A 10% discount on all your purchases on U7BUY. That's exactly what you get by using this discount code, and I'm going to show you exactly how to apply it step by step. Let's start by heading to the platform through the link in the description or in the pinned comment. You must go through that link. It's the only way to get the discount. Once on the site, log in or create your account quickly with your email or Google account. Once logged in, browse the catalog and pick what you're looking for. Subscriptions like Disney+, Spotify, or ChatGPT, gaming purchases, gift cards, it's all there. Find the offer that works for you and click Buy Now. On the payment page, look for the Add a Discount option. A field appears, enter the code WOTS and confirm. The 10% discount applies directly to your purchase, no strings attached. All that's left is to choose your payment method from the available options: credit card, Google Pay, or cryptocurrency. Confirm your order and your access arrives quickly, so you can enjoy it right away. That's it, simple and effective. The code and the link are in the description and in the pinned comment. Don't forget to go through that link to get the best deal on U7BUY. I'll leave you with that. See you next time.